thanks to CJ Pony Parts, the new lip came in pretty quickly. You know, I really appreciate that. Now, I just wanted to clarify that none of these videos are supposed to be a guide or tutorial on how to install anything, because I don't know shit. So let's just call this a vlog, right? It's just some sort of adventure, right? Just you are here joining me in this trip on learning how to install anything at all on this car, because the Mustang GT, that was easy, but this thing for some reason is just the complicated level is just a couple, like 22 notches up. Yeah, this is a beautiful complicated bitch that I'm truly in love with. That was a lot of fun. I'm not doing that again. Fuck that. Now we're on our way to Mitchell's shop because he's gonna help me again to install the new lip that I told you about. So yeah, just wait a little bit longer and we'll get there soon. All right. So what is it that you got?
90. Talk about my car?
Yeah.
94 Mustang GT.
Okay. What did you do to the fucking exhaust?
Just uncapped headers.
Okay. Alright, so we got this decal for the Shelby logo right here to make it pop a little more.
You're doing it, not me.
Okay, give me that. Okay, I don't know how this goes, bro. Oh my god. Hold on. Coño! Sorry. Okay, dale. Ajá. Okay.
What?
Yeah?
My caveman ass can do that shit.
Does it look good?
It does. Thank you.
I don't think it fits.
That's what she said.
Hey, don't look at it yet. Don't look at it yet.
What the fuck do you do? I mean, yeah, whatever.
Don't look at it yet.
Hey. Hey, Grandpa.
Better than
Damn.
doing that.
Look at that.
You want to really get in detail with it? Go ahead.
All right, so thanks to Mitchell and Paola. So, yeah, that's it. All right, so we were trying to read the instructions, but you know, this is quality printing right here. We're gonna have to resort to a YouTube video or something.
Not normal. Damn, you drive on the front end? What takes them out? Allen screw? I don't know.
Oh, I don't know what that's.
I can't see it. Go on. Oh, shut your... Here you go, dumbass. I got a flashlight. Be sure you take off the third wire. I ain't got it right.
Where's your little green thing from Menards?
Over there, in the blue cabinet, dumbass.
Why would it be over?
Boy, dumb. Oh, yeah, I got those in that kit. Yeah. Look at there.
That's fucking easy.
Yeah, now what I need, what I'm gonna need is a fucking new belly pan.
Why?
Look at how fucked up it is. Look over here. Look at this.
What worry about?
You know what? If somebody sees that, you done run over. It don't make no difference.
You done run down. Yeah, 8 mil.
Yeah, see. Thank you, previous owner. right, so this is the finished process. All right, again, so these are not guides or tutorials or anything. It's just a bunch of fucking idiots trying to find out how to install some shit on the car. It looks pretty good. It looks fantastic. Again, thank you, CJ Pony Parts. I love it. Now, let's see how much I can last without scraping the fuck out of it, you know? And lastly, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll try to make another video on something else. I don't know. But yeah, thank you.